Like and subscribe to my channel and click the bell icon to get new video updates.
Millions could see cuts in food stamps as federal pandemic aid ends for some households. The cuts are expected to reduce their monthly benefits by an average of $182, according to the Department of Agriculture, which administers the Supplemental Nutrition Assistance Program, known as SNAP. That means federal assistance, starting Wednesday, will only allowed to allocate an average of $6 a day for groceries, less than what many anti-hunger experts say is necessary for healthy eating. Every state offered those emergency allocations through the spring of 2021. A wave of mostly by the GOP leading states began dropping out, arguing that the additional federal financial support was wasteful and unnecessary. More than a year later, Congress agreed to sponsor the program under a broader $1.7 trillion bipartisan agreement, which was passed in December. To end averting government closures are areas that opted to continue providing emergency aid through Wednesday, according to the Center on Budget and Policy Priorities, which estimates about 31 million people, out of a total of 41 million enrolled in SNAP nationwide, have been affected. For Chante Westfield, a mother of 3 in Hillthorpe, Maryland, the cut will likely be steep and cut deep into an achievement that has provided a financial lifeline for her family. The cost of housing, gas, groceries and other goods remains stubbornly high into January, according to federal indicators released last month, with eggs notably up 8.5% from the year-ago period. To pay their rent, pay a doctor's bill, pay a credit card bill or buy groceries, said Vince Hull, Chief Government Relations Officer of Feeding America, a nonprofit network of more than 200 food banks that provided more than 5 billion meals in the past year. At the same time, however, the U.S. government has begun to provide halting a wide range of pandemic relief programs and plans to end its national public health emergency declaration in May. Many of the changes have come as a result of political pressure from Republicans, who have said such lavish programs, and the billions of dollars they cost, will exacerbate inflation and discourage people from looking for work after opportunities to budget this year to cut billions of dollars. In the process, Republican leaders have called for stricter work requirements for SNAP recipients, particularly low-income adults who don't have children. Experts say the burden could be particularly severe for seniors who receive the minimum under SNAP because of their financial needs. Some of these older Americans could see their grocery stamps drop to $23 a month, according to a December estimate by the Food Research and Action Center, a nonprofit anti-hunger organization. Despite that surge, however, the agency has still warned in recent weeks that the end of pandemic benefits could mean a major shift for Americans most in need. This week, a USDA spokesman said in a statement that the SNAP cut would affect millions of people, adding that the government is working closely with states and partners to prepare them for this change. Expressed early concern that they could see a sharp rise in demand for assistance once federal benefits fall.